In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, a new horizon beckons, dominated by the pulse of artificial intelligence. Yet amidst the rapid advancement, a crucial question arises. Do humans still need to learn programming? As machines begin to think and function independently, the answer becomes increasingly clear. The foundation of these innovations lies in the hands of those who understand code. Behind every line of AI that dazzles with intelligence is a mind that meticulously crafted it, ensuring that creativity and logic coexist harmoniously. From the bustling streets of global cities to quiet rooms filled with dedicated developers, the rhythm of coding propels humanity forward. Lines of Java and Python weave the fabric of the digital age, enabling innovation that transforms our world. The narrative of programming is not just about writing code. It's about empowering yourself with the knowledge to navigate and shape a future teeming with possibilities. As we dive deeper into the technical depths, the evolution unfolds, showcasing the transition from basic instructions to complex applications. Each keystroke, each command, contributes to a tapestry that will guide us through uncharted territories. In this era where AI thrives, it's imperative to remember that technology does not replace creators. It amplifies their capabilities. It's the creators, equipped with programming skills, who hold the power to direct where this technology will lead us. Thus, while the digital landscape transforms, programming remains at the core, a necessary skill for those who wish to innovate, to design, and to understand the future. The future indeed speaks in code, inviting all to learn and create. Ready to take the plunge into coding? Picture a black screen lighting up with green cascading code, igniting curiosity. Imagine a fast zoom revealing powerful tutorials on Java and Python, beckoning you to subscribe. Envision the excitement in the futuristic circuit board as you grasp the skills to code your future. It's time to hit that subscribe button and embark on your coding journey today.